Imagine drifting off to sleep easily, feeling relaxed and refreshed without the need for pills or medications. The secret? It could be right on your plate. Nature provides a treasure trove of foods and herbs packed with sleep-enhancing compounds. In this video, we'll explore powerful sleep-enhancing compounds and the top 10 foods that can help you fall asleep faster than sleeping pills, and some herbs as well. But that's not all. Stay with me until the end. I'll walk you through a step-by-step sleep routine, showing you how to easily incorporate these foods and herbs into your nightly routine for the best sleep possible. Plus, I'll also share some quick tips on what to avoid for quality sleep. Now let's get started. Sleep-enhancing compounds. There are several sleep-enhancing compounds like melatonin, tryptophan, and calming antioxidants. 1. Melatonin. It is a hormone produced by the pineal gland. It regulates the body's circadian rhythms, particularly the sleep-wake cycle. Levels naturally increase before bedtime, when it's dark, usually around 9 p.m., and peak at 2 a.m., signaling the body to prepare for sleep. It helps reduce the time to fall asleep, increases sleepiness, and may improve sleep duration. It is commonly used for sleep enhancement and jet lag relief, and is being studied for benefits in elderly individuals and those with depression. 2. Tryptophan. It is an amino acid necessary for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in sleep regulation. 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-HTP, is a naturally occurring compound that the body produces from the amino acid tryptophan, which is then converted into serotonin. 3. Calming antioxidants. They help reduce stress and promote relaxation by protecting cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. By reducing inflammation and supporting brain health, these antioxidants improve mental well-being, helping the body relax and encouraging better sleep. Examples are flavonoids, magnesium, vitamin C, polyphenols, apigenin, and L-theanine. Foods that may help you fall asleep faster than sleeping pills. 1. Almonds. Rich in magnesium, which helps improve sleep quality by regulating melatonin production and relaxing muscles. Dr. Barbara also highlights that almonds are a great source of magnesium, which helps relax muscles and improve sleep by regulating melatonin. Their protein content stabilizes blood sugar, contributing to more restful sleep. 2. Kiwi. They are high in antioxidants and serotonin, which can improve sleep onset, duration, and efficiency. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of kiwi, rich in antioxidants and serotonin. Eating kiwi before bed may lead to more restful and longer-lasting sleep. 3. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are rich in melatonin and antioxidants, which have been shown to improve sleep duration and quality. 4. Bananas. Packed with magnesium and potassium that help relax muscles, and they contain tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin and melatonin to promote relaxation. Dr. Barbara O'Neill. 5. Walnuts. These are a natural source of melatonin, which helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which boost serotonin production, further supporting restful sleep, highlighted by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. 6. Chamomile. Contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in your brain to promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that chamomile is well known for its calming properties, often used to reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to receptors in the brain to help induce relaxation and reduce insomnia. Often used as a tea, chamomile has mild sedative properties that help with relaxation. German chamomile is typically consumed as a tea, while Roman chamomile is often taken as a tincture. 7. Warm milk. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that increases serotonin and melatonin, both of which help induce sleep. 8. Oats. Oats are a source of melatonin and complex carbohydrates, which may help more tryptophan enter the brain, facilitating sleep. 9. Turkey. Contains high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce melatonin, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle. 10. Passion flower. Also known as maypop, is a natural sedative commonly used to treat insomnia and anxiety-related digestive issues. Passion flower tea contains flavonoids that increase the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter that reduces brain activity and induces relaxation. Herbs that can help you fall asleep faster. 1. Valerian root tea. Known for its calming effects, valerian can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. 2. Lavender. Lavender, in essential oil or tea form, promotes sleep by reducing anxiety and stress. It is often consumed in the form of teas, tinctures, or supplements made from leaves, stems, and flowers. 3. Ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb can reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Now that you know the foods and herbs, let's move towards how to incorporate these into your evening routine to improve both the time it takes to fall asleep and your sleep quality. The perfect sleep routine. 1. Start with foods high in tryptophan. A light dinner featuring foods like turkey, chicken, or fish can help set the stage for a restful night, as they help your body to produce serotonin and melatonin. 2. Have relaxing herbal tea. About an hour before bed, brew yourself a cup of chamomile or passion flower tea to help your body and mind unwind. 3. Snack on sleep-friendly foods. For a bedtime snack, reach for kiwi, bananas, or a handful of almonds, as they are rich in serotonin, melatonin, and magnesium, promoting relaxation and preparing your body for rest. 4. Enjoy a warm glass of milk. A glass of warm milk can work wonders for sleep. The tryptophan in milk boosts serotonin, which converts into melatonin, signaling your body that it's time to sleep. 5. Set the right mood. Dim the lights and create a calming atmosphere. Reducing light helps your body produce more melatonin naturally. You can also diffuse some lavender essential oil for its calming, sleep-enhancing aroma. 6. Meditate or practice deep breathing. Just before bed, spend a few minutes meditating or practicing deep breathing exercises. This helps to reduce stress and clears your mind for a peaceful night's sleep. Don'ts for quality sleep. For better sleep, avoid using electronics, consuming caffeine, or eating large meals close to bedtime. Skip long naps, alcohol, and late-night exercise. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, ensure your room is dark and quiet, limit fluids before bed, and avoid mentally stimulating activities right before sleep. These tips will help improve sleep quality. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.